Hi, I'm Valeria and this is OT 101. Today's topic is the difference between IT security and OT security. When people hear the word cybersecurity, they usually just think about IT security. That just means protecting things like your personal data, such as your credit card detail, customer records, emails, and messages. But cybersecurity is broader than that. There's another side to it, and it is OT security. OT security is about protecting physical operations, the systems that keep factories running, energy flowing, and transport moving. So here's the difference. In IT, a hacker might steal your credit card info or leak private emails. That's for sure frustrating, expensive, and stressful. In OT, a hacker could stop the production of everyday essentials. They could shut down traffic lights and throw a city into chaos. They could interfere with air control systems and keep planes on the ground, or knock offline hospital equipment that patients rely on. That's why IT security focuses on keeping information private, while OT security takes care of keeping the world running safely. So yeah, both are cybersecurity. But if IT goes down, you lose data. If OT goes down, factories stop, trains are run, and the power goes out. Whole communities are at risk, and that's just a much bigger deal.